nung iba na yung title. And then na-realize ko na title lang yung nag-iba, ganun pa din yung story and sila pa din yung character. So, masaya pa din. Tsaka opportunity po ito na maging movie yung sinulat ko lang na libro.
Okay. So, bakit nyo pinalitan yung title direct?
Pinalitan namin yung title basically because we are targeting a larger audience. So, parang for us, the movie is not just about the game anymore. It's also a family drama, meron ding story about friendship and love. So, ginawa namin Just the Way You Are para mas malaki yung makukuha niyang audience.
So, sa kanilang dalawa, kay Ken at kay Liza, congratulations after your...
Salamat po.
After your teleserye, now comes the movie. So, ano ang magiging kaibahan nitong pelikula doon sa hit ninyong show na Forevermore?
Kinukuha ko yung sapatos, lahat sa
Well, una po yung characters namin.
Anong kaibahan ng characters nyo ngayon?
Iba.
May bangs dito sa
Iba. More of, well, as Forevermore, parehas light drama, parang rom-com. Pero ito kasi, yung characters namin, we have the same problems. Hindi namin alam, pero we have the same problems. So we have this guy, Drake, who's a playboy, hotshot ng school, pero yung totoo, wall lang niya yun, self-defense or that's his way of releasing his anger. That's a problem with the father. Si Sophia naman, the same character, may galit sa dad niya, but siya naman, she keeps it inside. So, they're different people, but with the same problems. Pag nag-meet na sila, because of the bet nga, ayun na. That's where it all begins. Yeah.
Ikaw, Liza, what can you say?
Ayun, kwento niya yung akin. Yung character ko din po, kasi si Agnes, she's a very big character. She likes to express her feelings and what she believes in. Well, while Sophia, yung character ko sa movie, she's more of the type of person to parang keep it all inside and parang she likes to handle the problem by herself. Well, also Agnes is the same naman, but Sophia really has nobody to share it with, and Sophia is also the type of person that parang she has this goal and she wants to get it, pero she doesn't want anyone to help her.
So which is the more challenging character for you? Agnes or Sophia? Yung more expressive or yung more secretive?
They're both very challenging. They're both very different kasi Agnes, I really had a hard time at first portraying her kasi in real life, I'm not as big as Agnes. So it was difficult for me to express widely. But Sophia naman, it's also difficult to play her character kasi may layers siya. Like, she is quiet, but on the inside, it's more of her in what she's feeling on the inside, and it's hard to express it without really showing it. So,
Tsaka yung characters po namin, not wholly, pero dun sa ginawa namin, parang in a way, yung story and the situations was also used from our real lives, yung sa personal na buhay namin. So in a way, mas nakakatulong to. Kasi yung iba, napagdaanan talaga namin. So, ayun. Yun po.
So, sinadya mo ba yun, Direk?
Sinadya, parang siguro ano lang po, kasi before the start kasi of the movie, we had a workshop with them, with Derek Olive, and then binuo namin yung characters nila together, and sa pagbuo ng characters nila together, nakakuha kami ng inputs about their lives na parang feeling namin, pwede namin ilagay sa movie para mas maging authentic, tsaka para mas maging true sa mga sarili nila yung mga characters. Of course, sabay din develop yung movie with Forevermore. So that time, parang we just wanted na parang different, we wanted to present them as a very versatile love team, that they can do drama, they can do rom-com. So we were like, we made it a point na iba ang may i-offer nila sa Just the Way You Are, na-offer nila sa Forevermore po.
So, you made it a point na iba